Hello everyone, my name is Dave, partner, the world famous greatest ever GOAT, and welcome to your 10th or is it 11th node.js tutorial. In this tutorial we will touch on write stream. In the past one we did on read stream. Okay, so I didn't want to write the code, so I wrote it before and pasted it here. So first of all, what we're trying to do is we just import this module. If you want to handle any file IO, input output on a file, you must always make use of this module. Then we save the string we want to write into this file here, and the name, the string is the partners. I escaped this. This is called escaping in programming, in case you don't know. Once you want to use a single quote like that, when you have already used it here, you escape it. So the partners tutorials are the best. Please donate fast. Okay, so this is what we want to write there, and right here we are declaring a variable and saying, hey, the file stream that we have, all right, this is the file we want to write into. We're just simply pointing to the file, then in the next and saving everything, the address to the file here. And in this next line we have the variable, the whole thing, this whole thing is right inside here. Then we're now saying, hey, write into this file this data, and the encoding we want is UTF-8. Actually this is what it is by default, so we don't always have to specify it. I just put it here to let you know that hey, you can always specify. Then the next thing we can do is say, hey, after writing the file, just end the write stream and listen for an event. The event is finished. Remember we said that there are 4 events. The last one is finished. So once you end writing the file, it will fire a finish event, that is emit a finish event. So we are listening for that event. Once that event happens, we execute this callback function, and the callback function is we're just printing write completed. Then the next line we're checking, assuming there's an error, it couldn't write to the file, then what do? We print the reason, the error. It should give us the error, then program ended. So that's it, that's done. So we come back to our command prompt and node streams.js. Just know that I call this streams.js. You could call yours anything at all. Then I hit enter. So as you can see, after it has started reading the file, once it starts observing, it jumps. It doesn't execute this callback. It jumps and starts waiting for it to finish. Then for the error, once it starts observing the error, it jumps and prints program ended. That's why program ended is first, and then the write completed is second. So which means it was successful. So what we can do for ourselves and our future generations is to go and check what actually happened in anyname.txt. So we go to our anyname.txt and let's see. Guess what? It's actually written there. So one more thing we can do to test it is to edit this and say we have just donated $1,000 to Dave for support. Okay, and I hope it's cool. So let's try and run this again and see. Remember, this is what we have here. So we'll run this node streams.js. Enter. Cool, write completed. So let's check what is there. We'll close this and come right here. So right there you have it. Let me bring this closer. So the partners tutorials are the best. Please donate fast as we have just donated. So as you can see, it updated whatever was there. Okay, so what if we edit this out and just have this, and we come here and then node streams.js. Actually there's a shortcut for this. If you have run a code or a command before and you want to run it again, you don't need to retype it. Just press the up arrow on your keyboard and there it is, and you hit enter. Done. So we will close the file and reopen it. We will close and reopen it, and there we have it. So it basically wipes out everything in your file, then writes in the new stuff, wipes out everything, writes in the new stuff.